Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a cook with me video and I'm going to do spaghetti bolognese. Got my ingredients here. Got a bit of oil, got some peppers, onions, mushrooms, some chopped tomatoes, some fennel, got some tomato puree, some beef mince, some garlic and oregano. So let's get to it. So I just start by prepping the veg, and I put the onions in first and I wait for them to brown. Then I add the mince, and then after the mince is cooked I pretty much just throw everything in no particular order, and I just stir constantly. Anyone knows a way of cutting onions without crying, please let me know. I've heard several methods, such as putting a spoon in your mouth, but I don't seem to find one that works for myself. So if you do know any, just please let me know, because as you can see in this video, it really did get to me and I had to stop a few times and get some tissue just to wipe the water from my eyes. So it's been cooking for about half an hour. So I'm just going to try it. A little taste test. I'm so scared to put hot food in my mouth. I don't want to burn my tongue. I can definitely taste the fennel. If you don't like fennel or you don't like really rich, strong taste, don't put fennel in it. But I quite like that. That's yummy. Good job, Sarah. As you can see there, I've got at least 4 meals. I've really filled the tubs up, so I've probably got more than that. So I can put them in the freezer and they can be stored for a nice pasta dish or spaghetti bolognese. So there you go. So thanks for watching, guys. The ingredients will be in the comments below. Let me know if you try it, if you use the fennel or not. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you again soon. Bye.